the popular teachings in the world today. I don't know how popular these are in Mumbai, but in the West, these things have become very popular. Somebody is telling you, be in the moment. Somebody is telling you, just let go, everything will be okay. That means there must be somebody taking care of your life from behind, then you can let go. See, these are all regressive teachings in the sense. Just to explore one or two. What can you let go, tell me? They're saying, just let go, God will do it. Well, life has not really gotten you yet, that's why you're talking this language. You're living in a fanciful world. When life really gets you, then you will know you can't let go anything, you have to manage. You let go your business today and see what'll happen. Or try something more dramatic. You're driving today, just let go. Just let go and see either you're dead or somebody else is dead. Now, these popular teachings, which have unfortunately become popular, has messed up humanity in a big way. I faced a group of people recently in America, where they're staunch be in the moment people. I'm asking you, can you be somewhere else? Be somewhere else and show me, please. Can any of you be anywhere else other than this moment, I'm asking? No. Then why do you need such a teaching? What they're trying to tell you is, don't think about tomorrow, don't think about yesterday. That will happen if you take away half your brain. If I pull out half your brain, you cannot think about tomorrow, you cannot think about yesterday, just be in the moment. This is all coming because people do not even know how to sit in one place peacefully, okay? So people are coming up with solutions like this. There are solutions and solutions but is it really a solution? That's a question. So now because you can't sit in one place peacefully, somebody says, be in the moment, don't think about the past, don't think about the future. Tell me, can you call yourself a human being if you cannot remember the past and project into the future? Will you be a full-fledged human being, I'm asking? You wanting to go back in the evolutionary scale because you don't know how to handle your own intelligence. This is the biggest problem with the human being. Their only problem is this, you may call it by 1,000 different names, but the only problem is you do not know how to handle your own intelligence, isn't it? You will see if you take away half your brain, you will be peaceful. Yes or no? But I am asking, is that a solution? Is that a solution? Taking away half your brain? So taking away your ability to look back into the past and look out into the future, if you take away this ability, maybe you will be peaceful but towards what purpose? To be peaceful, to be joyful, to be loving, to be blissful, these are all human qualities, yes or no? If you're willing, you can be peaceful, you can be loving, you can be blissful. But all these things have been exported to heaven. So, these simple aspects have become complicated because of all these teachings. I'm saying, it doesn't matter where the teaching comes from, whether it comes from me or somebody else, just keep it aside. Just apply your intelligence. You cannot use my intelligence, okay? You can use my wisdom maybe, but you cannot use my intelligence, you can only use your intelligence. So with your intelligence, experiment. If it works, let's keep it. If it doesn't work, discard it tomorrow morning. No need to continue it for one more day. But first you must decide, are you looking for solace or are you looking for solutions? You need a powerful force to move you from one dimension of life to another. So when such a need comes, if such a longing comes, then you must look for spirituality, otherwise just do something, go climb a mountain, it'll work, I'm telling you. You'll build your confidence. Yes, climb a mountain, swim in the ocean, all these things will build your confidence. or believe something. But towards what end, what is your requirement is something you have to see. Do you have a longing for the ultimate, or are you just trying to manage your psychological drama? That's a first distinction you have to make. But your psychological drama can be managed only from within. You can believe that you're using outside help, but actually you can only manage from within because this is a ghost that you create. You can't kill it from outside. So let go of all the teachings, you'll be fine.
Have you ever said, "I have let go," but deep down, you are just avoiding a tough situation? Do you think letting go means not caring anymore? When someone says to you, "Just let it go," are they telling you to hide your feelings or to really move on? Are you using letting go just as a fancy phrase, or do you truly know what it means in your everyday life? When we speak of letting go, we are diving into an ocean of misunderstandings and profound truths, both muddled up in the consciousness of many. The words "let go" have been used, reused, and often abused. Today, let's cleanse these words, understand their deeper implications, and realize their significance on the spiritual path. When people talk about letting go, there is often confusion. Some think it's about not caring, it's about being lazy, or about avoiding problems. Like stepping back from the challenges life throws at you or ignoring the bumps in the road. They picture someone just wandering around, kind of lost, like a leaf that has no idea where it is going. But that is not the whole picture. That's not really letting go. That's more like giving up or avoiding. And with all the talk these days, especially in those motivational videos and self-help books, there is another angle. Everyone seems to be saying, shake off your past, don't dwell on old mistakes. They make it sound so simple, like letting go is a one-time deal, a moment where you just toss all your worries over a cliff and walk away. But that's not how it really works. True letting go is a day-to-day thing. It's about how you face each day, how you handle what comes at you, and how you keep moving forward. It's not about ditching everything once. It's about facing each moment, dealing with it, and then moving on again and again. Think of it more like a river. It has its calm spots and its rough spots, but it keeps on flowing no matter what. That is the real spirit of letting go. Real letting go isn't about being passive or stepping back from the world's hustle and bustle. It's not about putting up walls or closing ourselves off from challenges and emotions. Instead, it's rooted in a deep, profound realization, which is life with all its beauty and chaos is always in flux. Everything around us, our feelings, the seasons, even the people we love, is constantly evolving, shifting, and transforming. To let go is to truly get this. It means to dive headfirst into the river of life, feeling every ripple, every current, without trying to grip or control it. Now think about a river, always in motion. The water doesn't try to stick to the rocks, nor does it try to push them away. It doesn't get upset when a bend changes its course or when a rapid makes its journey turbulent. It doesn't even cling to the peaceful moments when everything is calm and smooth. Instead, it just moves gracefully and effortlessly, adapting to whatever comes its way. That is its nature. So, when we talk about letting go, imagine being that river. It's about navigating through life's challenges and joys, taking everything in stride, feeling deeply but not getting stuck. It's a dance where we are fully in the moment, enjoying the music of life, but not trying to hold on to any single note, just flowing, always moving, and embracing the journey, come what may. When you truly let go, a transformation happens. You become spacious like the vast sky. You experience life in its totality, in its pain and pleasure, without becoming entangled. You become witnesses, you become sages, you become dancers in the cosmic dance of existence. In letting go, you find freedom. Freedom from what? Freedom from your self-created prisons. Freedom from the shackles of society and conditioning. Freedom to be your true selves. So, dear seekers, let go not because someone told you to. Let go because it is the song of your soul. It is the dance of your spirit and the path to your freedom. Remember, letting go is not about abandoning the world, but about embracing it without clinging. It is the art of living fully, loving deeply, and yet being detached like the lotus flower that lives in the water but never gets wet by it.